أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In last time I was completed half dua. This dua for easy. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul huzna idha shi'ta sahla. First half we was completed, and next half we will complete inshallah today. I will try
Inshallah.
inshallah. Okay, first you read please, first step of those dua, yesterday's dua.
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Inshallah, today another class. I forgot, I lost the number of the class. This should be whatever class, I don't remember, but let's go with the half of the dua. So the dua we studied yesterday was for the ease, and I'm gonna say the half of it. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
Okay.
Allah.
Sometime repeat it without stopping. One time after that, if you will expert 10%, after that you will try with closing eyes, sometimes with
Inshallah.
opening eyes read. After that, inshallah. Yeah, continue please.
اللهم لا سهل إلا
La
ما
sahla, no.
جعلته سهلا.
Brother, la sahla and between la sahla, la and la, very, very important difference. Meaning will change. Totally meaning will change. Okay? And la stretching and la quickly. What difference I will tell you today, difference between la and la. Stretching la and quick reading la. What difference? In meanings different. What difference? Stretching la means no, never, and la mean must, yes, do.
لا yes, must, لا yes.
Earth and sky, how many
Yes.
years difference? This difference same. Stretching la and quick reading la and la, this difference. Please focus, please don't forget this difference. Any letter in Quran, when you will read it quick, but rule of stretching, inshallah. But you are not understanding the la and la, you are not trying understanding the word difference, then meaning will change of Quran.
Now I understand. I see, definitely
Yeah,
understand.
la quick, it's not quick la, it's la, it means no, never. Okay. Nothing.
I see.
Oh Allah, there is nothing made easy except what you make easy, and you make difficult easy if you wish. Okay. Oh Allah, there is nothing made easy. Okay. La sahla, la ilaha, no any Allah, la ilaha, no any Allah but Allah, illallah but Allah, la stretch it, la ilaha. Okay. But when you will read it la ilaha, you are saying have Allah, second Allah, have. La and la difference. La means not never, more Allah. And when you will quick la ilaha, it means have second Allah. We have second Allah.
correct, brother. Wallah.
Yeah, very
I see.
important.
Very. This is very important, brother. Wallahi.
But
This is very important.
you can read it stretch la, because the after Allahumma, what is this in Arabic words? Look, please. First letter what in this dua?
Allah.
Al
Allah.
alif. Okay.
Alif.
After
Alif.
that,
Alif.
avoid from second, third, mim, and la. After
Mm-mm.
mim, la is middle. La after lam, alif. Okay, alif and lam. It's stretching must in this. Stretch it. La. Then will
I
correct meaning.
see.
Yeah, please.
I
I
see,
hope
brother.
I convey my message to you. Inshallah. I hope.
Wallahi, brother, this is very important, brother. Because I say one word in dua is another word.
Mm,
It's completely different. Completely. And I say wrong.
mm,
No good. But I understand now. Allahumma la sahla illa
mm.
ma ya'altahu sahla wa anta tajallul huzna idha shitta sahla. When you usually read dua, it's good to keep a little bit words 2 seconds instead of 1 second, 2-3
هل
seconds.
هل كتبت الواجب؟ Can you speak Arabic now? هل كتبت الواجب? Homework
I try.
means homework. Homework. How can you do your homework?
Inshallah, this today I can do homework. Inshallah, definitely.
Yesterday not completed. It's dua.
Not complete.
Memorization of
No,
this dua.
no, but I completed all the other ones, brother.
Okay.
I completed all the other ones. أعوذ بكلمات الله تامات من شر ما خلق. I completed when I leave the house. Bismillah tawakkul على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. I did all of them. Rabbi zidni ilma. I keep saying all the time in sajda.
MashaAllah, you are very intelligent. Alhamdulillah, your mind is very good and strong. MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah, barakallah feek. I will try some letters Arabic use in class, inshallah. Inshallah. Okay. Please read it now. Sometimes after we will touch, inshallah, to alphabet.
Oh, definitely. I'll read it 3 times now, inshallah. May I?
Yeah.
Allahumma la sahla illa ma ya'altahu sahla wa anta tajallul huzna idha shita sahla. Allahumma la sahla illa ma aljadahu sahla wa anta tajallul huzna idha shita sahla. Allahumma la sahla illa ma aljadahu sahla wa anta سهلة وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلة.
Okay, I will create for you a screen recording video this dua for homework, inshallah. When you will drive the car and then open it video and follow it. After that you will memorize it, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, brother. Now you can open alphabet of Arabic.
I open it, brother.
In 1 month, 7 and 8 billion words we understand, learn. Alhamdulillah.
Exact. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, please continue.
You want to do alphabet or one more time dua?
These alphabets start now, please. I'll dua
Inshallah.
your homework, inshallah. Memorize
Inshallah.
in your car.
But you see, I did homework, the other dua. If I not do homework, other dua, I know memorize one class. You know what I mean? Inshallah. Let's start with the alphabet. Alif. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, so far, brother, we memorized billions letters in Arabic alphabet, alhamdulillah. Let's start with the first letter. Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sad, dad, sad, sheen, sin, za, ra, dal, ha, ha, jim, ta, ba, alif.
One time.
Alif.
Mhm.
Yes, one time again.
From the
No
beginning.
problem. inshallah. Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sad, dad.
Okay.
Dad.
Mashallah,
Yes,
mashallah.
yes.
Good. Now you can good. What may the color of dad
It's a blue.
and raw?
Raw. Raw, it's green, no?
Okay. Sin, shin, swad, dad. After that, ta. Thua. Thua. Twa. Bold.
A.
Vibrate your tip of your tongue with your upper middle teeth. Vibrate your teeth with your tip of your tongue. Thua. Thua. What spells in English?
What can you say it again, inshallah?
Thua. Thua.
Thua. Tua. Oh, I see. Thua. Tua.
Yeah.
Tua.
Repeat it sometimes.
Tua. Inshallah. I'm trying. Because I have to, brother, also, inshallah. I gotta start. I started already writing them as well, brother. Very important. Very important to write it.
Okay. Please repeat it
Tua.
sometimes. And
Tua.
also look on
Tua.
the shape. Which shape? How shape is this?
The
Memorize this
shape
shape
is
in your
like a
mind.
B.
Okay, good. Memorize in your mind this shape. If you
Tua.
will look during reading, then you will not forget, inshallah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Why? That's why
also
I try to write, brother. I write them. I write it. I try
also
to.
a rule.
Yes.
Also this rule: when you will read, then look, see on the lesson must. Very important. Good. Please continue.
Tua. 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 I'm writing them also. Okay. Tua.
Next one, Zua. Zhua. Zua. Same
Dua.
reading place.
Dua.
Tip of your tongue, upper
Dua.
middle to teeth.
Dua.
Tip of your tongue, upper
Dua.
middle to teeth when you will touch and with vibrate. Then pronouncing place that Zua. Zhua. Zua. How many dots?
Yeah. Dua.
One dot.
One dot.
Blue color, one dot. Zhua. Zua. Some bold this letter. Zua. Don't forget. Bold
No,
pronounce.
inshallah.
Yeah. Zua.
I'm trying to. Yes. Dua. 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 Dua.
Dua no.
Dua.
Dua no.
Dua. No dua. No dua. No dua.
Dhua. Dhua. Zhua. Zua. Z. Zebra. Say zebra.
Zebra. Yeah.
Zebra.
Yeah.
Z. First word of zebra letter. Use in this start this letter. Zua.
Dua.
but
Yep.
Z
Dua.
H ZHUA dua.
Dua. Impossible to make it write it. I'm trying to write it as well. Dua.
ZHUA.
Dua. Inshallah, tabarakallah. Oh, I wrote it nice. Alhamdulillah, I wrote it very successfully.
One time from the beginning to last letter, and one time
Dua.
from the last letter go to reverse.
Ta. I'm gonna do homework. I'm gonna do homework. Ta and dua. Ta dua. Ta dua.
This
Ta
letter,
dua.
this homework not required. Homework of dua. Inshallah, I will create for you video. Make easy, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah.
No,
Okay, inshallah.
yeah, don't be sad. No issue.
It's starting a little bit more harder now, you know.
This
But inshallah.
oh no, is hard, inshallah. Allah say told in Quran. Allah say Quran is very easy.
Very easy, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay. Alif ba from the.
Yes. Alif ba ta. Alif ba ta ta jim ha 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 dal dal ra za shin shin sad dad ta da
Twa
da
dua. Say
da
twa
da twa
dua.
twa da twa da twa twa.
Also this twa bold and zwa bold. Also, okay. Twa and zwa also bold pronouncing. Read sometime.
Both pronoun.
Twa
Yes, inshallah. Inshallah, I will.
twa zwa.
Twa, twa, dua, twa, dua. Twa, dua.
Some stretch. Twa zwa.
Twa, dua.
Yeah, some stretch it. Twa zwa.
Twa, 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 dua, dua. This is, I don't know why it's so. Inshallah. Ta, dad, ta, ta. And the one before is ta, ta, ta. Is 8. Ta. Right? Ta.
Zwa.
Ta, dua. Ta, dua. Dua. I'm gonna do maybe only the dua. I'm gonna do it maybe. I'll try to do it homework, brother. It's very important because when I cannot know, I feel bad. Brother, when you write letters from alphabet, right? Can you write them from the right side, but of course with your hand from right, but the letters goes to the left? Or you have to learn to.
Which letter from the left?
All of the letters go from the left. To the left, to the left.
In which language?
In Arabic, inshallah.
In Arabic.
Only Arabic.
In Arabic, from the right side starting all letters.
From the right, but exactly from the right you write to the left. But what I'm asking, if I write from right with my hands when I write them, you know what I mean? Like I go on the left, but when I write, can I write from the right, but I go on the left? You know what I mean?
Don't be sad,
So,
inshallah. I will do you expert teacher, inshallah. I will make you
inshallah.
expert
Yeah,
teacher,
I'm sorry. I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump too
I will
much.
make for you Academy online. Inshallah.
Inshallah, brother. Inshallah.
You will teach her inshallah in academy. You will teach students online all the word, Quran translation, Quran Arabic, Quran Arabic grammar, and Sunnah, Hadith, Tafsir, all over the world inshallah.
Ameen, ya Rab.
Oh yeah. Okay. One time please,
Sah.
from the alif to za and from the za to alif. Sometimes it's a practice, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna practice also today, brother, because it's snow today, so I gotta do work in the house. But I'm gonna practice home today, this. Inshallah. Alright. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, dot, ta,
Twa,
ta, twa, ta, twa.
Twa, Dua. Only this repeat. 2 letters. Twa, Dua. Twa,
Ta,
Dua.
dwa, twa, dwa, ta, dwa, ta, dwa, ta, ta, dwa,
Twa,
ta, dwa,
Dua.
ta, dwa.
Twa, Dua.
Ta,
Z-H-U-A.
twa, twa,
Z-H-U-A.
ta, twa, ta, twa,
Z-H-U-A. Zua.
ta, twa, ta, twa, 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 twa. I'm gonna practice inshallah today, brother, this little bit. I'm gonna do research to practice a little bit.
Okay. Okay. I think our class time.
Yes, brother, inshallah. Tomorrow, inshallah, I'll text you before, okay?
If you want, then read 5 minutes. No issue. 5 minutes more read. We have a time.
No, don't worry. No, don't worry, brother, because I wanna try to focus on this later so much more. I really have to, because now it seems for me these two letters it's a little hard for me. But I'm gonna have
I am creating for you a video in Twa and Zwa pronouncing. Okay.
These,
For
yes,
Hambari.
only these two. Very.
Also, with
Inshallah, yes.
Twa video, this video also, inshallah, I will create for you, make for you,
Please,
inshallah,
please.
after ending the class. Okay, brother.
Inshallah.
Take care. Say,
Brother,
inshallah.
Allahu Mubarak.
Amin. Amin. Wayak.
Allahu.
Wayak.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
Jazakallah khair. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.